Tonight, a couple from North Texas is fighting for their peace of mind. State officials took their newborn daughter away just days after she was born.
Now, they did get her back, but 2 years later, the parents are still living with anxiety, wondering if they'll come for her again.
As Teresa Woodard reports, they're now taking legal action and calling for change.
In 2023, Temecia Jackson wiped her tears as her husband held his back.
This is a nightmare that I wouldn't wish on anyone.
That nightmare continues.
They have not been able to fully clear their name.
ACLU attorney Sherelle Lett represents the Jacksons. Tuesday, they sued the state. Mila Jackson was 1 week old when police removed her from her home after a pediatrician accused the Jacksons of medical neglect. The state kept Mila in protective custody 24 days, then dropped the case. But according to the new lawsuit, a month later, the Department of Family and Protective Services found reason to believe there was neglect and put the Jacksons on the central registry for perpetrators of child abuse or neglect. Eventually, they changed reason to believe to unable to determine. But Lett says that label never goes away.
The unable to determine designation does not allow for the family to appeal. We are asking that the court find that these violate the procedural due process rights of parents.
The lawsuit says it's unconstitutional to provide parents no option and says the lingering record makes Temecia feel like she's parenting under extra scrutiny with the looming threat of losing a child.
Temecia has just recently started back volunteering at her children's schools because it requires a background check.
We asked DFPS to respond. The agency told us it does not comment on pending litigation. In Dallas, I'm Teresa Woodard.